In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or update your x.com, formerly Twitter, bio in just a few quick steps. This is a simple but important part of your profile because your bio helps people understand who you are, what you do, and why they should follow you. Whether you're building a personal brand, promoting a business, or just cleaning up your profile, this guide will help you do it fast and correctly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy social media tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open X and go to your profile. On the left side of the screen, click the profile icon in the menu. This will take you directly to your profile page. Once you're there, look to the right side of your profile section and find the Edit Profile button. Click it to open your profile settings. A pop-up window will appear with several editable fields for your account. Now scroll down in that pop-up until you find the bio text box. This is where you can type in your new bio or update your existing one. Keep in mind that X gives you a 160-character limit, so you'll want to make your bio short, clear, and easy to read. A good bio usually says who you are, what you do, or what people can expect from your account. You can also add a little personality if that fits your style. Once you've typed your bio and you're happy with how it looks, click Save to apply the changes. After that, your new bio will appear on your profile right away. And that's it. You've successfully added or updated your x.com bio. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials just like this. 1.